Hey y'all, Roxelle Richards here, attorney and business mentor. I just wanted to share a little bit more about human resources made simple. Now, if you're an established, new, or even an aspiring business owner, or maybe working for an employer that could use a little help within their HR, then this course, Human Resources Made Easy, is for you. This program is comprised of 7 lessons teaching you all about HR. And here's what it's comprised of. You'll learn how to be able to gather your team. You'll learn all about independent contractors. You'll learn all about employees, what it takes to be able to hire the right employee, the checklist, the process, working with a virtual assistant, and then some. For me, hiring a dream team has been key to allowing my business to be able to be scalable. And not only that, to be able to bring in consistent 7-figure year. And we don't stop there, we're continuing to grow. Now, it's taken me 17 years to be able to do that, but you don't have to do that. I'm making this course available for you to be able to take. And I actually provide you guys with customized worksheet and resources to be able to make sure that you're manifesting the results of this course, because it's not all about training, it's about the execution. You'll also be surrounded by other people, all in their different stages of their business journey, and some who are actually working employees. And not only that, if you've got questions, all you gotta do is ask me. I make myself available in our private group, so I'll see you inside.